Hey there. Quick video number 2 on getting free leads on Shapr. So in this video, I'm going to very quickly teach you how to set up your profile and your Ask Me About. So when you set up Shapr, it's going to take everything off your LinkedIn. It's going to take your pictures, it's going to take your job title, your business, all that fun stuff. Then it's going to allow you to pick 12 different interests. And these interests are basically who you're going to be matched with. So I looked at public speaking, coaching, entrepreneurship, etc. Whatever your business is, you're going to find the matching hashtags. After that, you're going to want to look for community. If you work for a big company like Hilton or something, they probably have a hashtag and you can connect with everyone in your business or in a business you're trying to prospect. Then you have your goals. Here you have 3 goals that you're going to be able to pick out of a kind of predetermined list. And whatever your goals are, whether they're hiring, whether they're finding a new job, hiring freelancers, finding freelance gigs, getting inspired, whatever, you want to pick 3. I picked find mentors, grow my business, and make new friends. Now, the most important thing, your bio. Generally, when you set up your Shapr, it's going to take the first paragraph of your LinkedIn bio. That's generally not good because it's not written to be read as just one paragraph. It's usually the intro, like the beginning of a resume. So we want to rewrite this. We want to use as many of the 250 characters as possible, and we want to make sure that we have a Ask Me About. And the Ask Me About is simply your hook. So here my Ask Me About is ask me about how I can help you close 2 to 3 times more leads. You also may want to put no multi-level marketing or financial services because people will assume that you are a multi-level marketer or a financial service person because they tend to be the people that pitch really hard on LinkedIn. So write a good bio, get to the point of what you do, and get that Ask Me About how I can help you in your bio right now. And you will be ready to move on to the next video I'm going to make for you, which is all about how to match and send messages. So you won't want to miss that. Check it out when I post it in the next couple days. Thanks.